In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So firstly you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and go to the settings. And now you will notice call blocking, so just click on it and select add a number. So smoothly by entering a number, you can block some particular contact, tap on block, and that's it. Then whenever you would like to remove some particular number from your blacklist, just tap on the cross icon and confirm that you want to unblock it. And from now on, she or he will be able to reach you. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.